Hi everyone, Sarah here. I have a canvas to share with you. I am super excited. This is my first purchase from Crystal Canvas. They had put up a couple of new items and I found something that I really liked and I wanted to try it. So in the past, I just thought that they did not ship international because it just wasn't an option. And there's no information or anything on the website about it. So I did send them an email because I did see another fellow YouTuber that had purchased from Canada. So I sent them an email, and when you send them an email, there is an FAQ that gets returned. So there is an option to purchase international. You do have to email them, and there's a specific, what is it? There's a specific title that they want you to put in the email. Sorry, I should have had that information for you. So in the email description, put international order request, and that's the remarks section for your email, and then just send them, let them know what you want. They will let you know how much shipping is. Shipping was a bit much. So the canvas was $26 and shipping was $19.71. So it was almost the same price as the canvas, but I wanted to give it a try and I wanted to share with you guys so you can see different canvas options. So this is the way it came to me. I'm not going to flip it over because my address is on the back. It does come in their box, Crystal Canvas Art Designs. It's all taped up on the edges. So let me just cut into it here. I'm not going to show you guys the image. It does have the picture on the end of the box, but just see if I can get into this. What? I can't get in. Oh no, I had to rip it. Okay, I did have to rip it. Not a big deal. Okay, that's it. Put that over to the side. Wow! So here's the kit that comes with it. It is the dark green boat with the piece of wax, a couple of baggies. There is a pair of tweezers and a pen. They're going through changes. If you join their Facebook group, she does videos to share with you what's going on. And just so you also know, the website is actually down for maintenance right now because she's updating to a new version. So here is our drills in little baggies. All crystals. All right, let me show you guys. Ta-da! Oh my goodness. I've been wanting a pineapple canvas and I've just been looking for the right one, and this one is perfect. Absolutely perfect. I love it. So here is the little thumbnail. It's kind of like watercolor-ish a little bit. There is the legend, all numbers and letters, and she goes by the crystal code, not DMC code. It is a 40 by 50. There is a legend on both the top right hand and bottom left hand. Super awesome. The canvas itself is sparkly. And then let me just get up here, show you guys the drill field. Everything looks really clear. Super excited about that. I want this to flip over on itself. The static. That's so exciting. That's going to be awesome. Oh, and all their name, their website. Ooh, there we go. And glimmers, shimmers, and shines. They have full crystal drill and they have partials and some other projects. And I believe, sorry, once the new website launches, there's going to be some new releases on there. gonna mess this up, but it's beautiful. So they're all labeled with the number to correspond on the legend. This looks like it's just a solid black. Got some red. This is like a beautiful brown copper type. Another one. Some greens. I love green. These ones are really bright. Look at this. Boom. And then we get into some yellows. This must be one of the outside colors. And then this one is like a dark green. It's like a jade. There's an amber. Another brown. Ooh, there's some red. A crimson red. Pretty light orange. Even lighter. It's like a peach. Another green. This one looks like a brown. It's hard to see. And then we have like a champagne color. Light gold. Yellow gold. Another orangey. Deeper gold. Another yellowy gold. It's like a light champagne, and then crystal clear. Super, super excited. All right, so I won't be starting this one just yet, but when I do start it, I will share with you guys. Maybe do a little drill with me so you can see how it goes for my first canvas from Crystal Canvas. All right, so that's it. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.